Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a go-kart frame. First, let's dive into the essential steps for creating a sturdy and safe chassis. We'll cover everything from initial design considerations to the final touches. You'll learn about material selection, precise measurements, and proper welding techniques. Our goal is to help you construct a reliable frame that provides a fantastic foundation for your go-kart project. Get ready to transform raw materials into a thrilling ride. Choosing the right materials is crucial for a strong go-kart frame. We recommend using 1-inch square steel tubing with a wall thickness of 1/8 inch for optimal strength and weight. When designing, aim for a wheelbase between 45 and 50 inches to ensure excellent stability and handling. Also, make sure your design can comfortably support at least 250 pounds, providing a safe and durable structure for the driver and components. Careful planning here saves a lot of effort later. Now let's get into the hands-on part, cutting and welding. Begin by precisely cutting all your steel tubing components according to your detailed design plans. Accuracy here is key for a straight and true frame. Next, use a MIG or TIG welder to securely join all the pieces. Focus on creating strong, consistent welds that are free of any gaps or imperfections. Proper welding ensures the structural integrity and safety of your entire go-kart frame. Take your time and prioritize quality. For the final steps, we'll focus on reinforcement and finishing. To enhance durability, add gussets to high-stress areas like axle mounts and steering points. This significantly increases frame rigidity. Next, apply a high-quality protective primer, followed by a durable paint coat to prevent rust and corrosion, extending your frame's lifespan. Finally, thoroughly double-check all welded connections and the overall structural integrity. A safe and well-finished frame is ready for the rest of your go-kart components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.